here's Guitar Lessons here, and today we'll be talking about a scale exercise in which we ascend our first triad and then descend our second. We're going to ascend our third triad and then descend our fourth, and so on, so forth. So I'm going to be in the key of D, and we're going through all the cage shapes. So here we go with the first one. My C shape, my pinky on the 5th string, 5th fret. I'm going to ascend my D major triad, 5th, 4th, 2nd. Descend my E minor, 4th, 5th, 2nd. Ascend my F sharp minor, 4th, 2nd, 2nd. Descend my G, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Ascend my A, 2nd, 2nd, 5th. Descend my B. Ascend my C sharp minor or diminished. Descend my D. Now when I descend the scale, I'm going to descend the first triad, in this case my D major, 5th, 2nd, 3rd, and then ascend my C sharp. Descend the B minor, ascend the A. Descend the G, ascend the F sharp minor. I'm going to end on my D note right there. Next is my A alt shape. I'll be putting my second finger on that D note right there. Ascend that triad, descend that E minor. So that's 5, 4, 7, 4, 5, 7. And now, ascend 4, 7, 6, 7, 4, 5, 7, 6, 5. Now when I descend, I'm going to descend that triad that I just left off on, 7, 3, 5, then ascend, 7, 7, 5 on that D major. C sharp diminished, up on the B minor, descend the A, ascend the G, descend the F sharp minor, then 7, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, again, end on that D note right there. Next, I'm going to go to the A shape. So my first finger is going to go on that root note, and I'm going to ascend 5, 9, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 7, 6, 9, 7, or 8, 7, 9, 5, 7. Now, now that I'm out of room in my A shape, I'm going to go right to that root note again, that D. So what's important here is that I'm always going to stick within my scale shape right there. That way I'm kind of reaching all the triads wherever I can within that scale shape, so I'm not kind of moving out of that. Next, I have my G shape. Put my pinky on that 10th fret, 6th string. I'm going to go 10, 9, 7, and then 9, 10, 7. Now that I ran out of room in that G shape, I'm going to start descending. Descend that G, and then I'm going to ascend, descend, ascend. Next I have my E alt shape. I'm going to start with my second finger on that D note, 6th string, 10th fret. Walk up the arpeggio, 10, 9, 12. Now descend the next one. Start from the A. Now start from the C sharp, 11, 9, 12. And now 10, 11, 12, 9, 12, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 10. And now 12, 9, 10. Now I ran out of scale room, or kind of room in my scale, so I'm going to descend that. 12, 9, 10, and ascend the G. again, once I'm done, I'm going to finish on that 10th fret, 6th string, that D note right there. Next I have my E shape. Put my first finger on that D. I'm going to go 10, 14, 12, descend, 14, 10, 12, up, 14, 12, 11, 12, 14, 10. And that's where I leave off on my scale, so I'm going to start descending. Lastly, I have the D shape. Now I'm going to move to the key of F for my D shape right there. Alright, so here we go. Ascend that first triad, and then descend the second one. Now, I've already ran out of room, so I need to start descending now. Finally, I'm going to end on that F note right there. Now I do have a PDF version of the tab of this exercise at Garret'sGuitarLessons.com, and if it's not already out, I will be having a play along, which will have the tab and the scale shape on there, with the audio being played of it at 60 BPM, 90 BPM, and 120 BPM. Check out Garret'sGuitarLessons.com for more free lessons and resources. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys next time.